So I received a PR box from Lucha Beauty and it is their Lush Ink lip markers. They have sent me all the shades. This one is 8. This one is ochre. This one is no cap. This one is Yas. The last one is Crazy. I also have one more shade, Sheesh, जो कि मुझे उसके पहले PR में आया था. Yeah, this is the lip combo using only Lucha Beauty products and here are the shades.